always a nightmare trying to wiggle. Might be boosting a bit more. Oh, that's loose. That is loose. So I've just tried taking the starter motor plug off, and look what's happened already. The pin what goes into the back of that starter, what goes into this plug here and onto the starter, snapped. So I don't know if that can be opened to fit this back on, or if I'm gonna have to get another starter. What is? Oh. It's one dirty starter motor. We still started the car up. Did that thing snap from here, man? Look. Here, look. Piece goes on there. I don't know how I'm fix that. If it can be fixed or not. Okay. That's this out. Let's continue. I didn't do it. I haven't had the car that long. If you look down there, it's got some wire holding the drive shafts, pinnings. Bloody hell. It's a bit crazy, that, innit? So you remove the starter. You remove this slave cylinder, pretty simple. 240mm bolts that just pop straight out. That's all you need to do, take the bolts out, nothing else. What we're doing now is, if you see on the side of the gearbox, it's got a 10mm Allen key. Always trap back my hand. Remove the Allen key. You can see it there, just there behind the thing. Put it, bring it on top, camera on top. You can see here on top of my finger this. Come in a bit here. That's it. It's a bit tight, I'm gonna have to get the ratchet back on it. But that's where the 10mm Allen key is. That's it. Ooh. It's a bit gooey. Got a bit of grease on that. Once that's off, learn a little trick. That this bolt here should fit inside there. Look at that. So the timing belt bolt, need to remove this spring first. That'll take a bit of tension off it. Okay, so that's the spring off. That'll release pressure off it. And then, oh, that's stuck in there. I have to go get some pliers, wiggle it out. So as you can see, we've been using the hammer and the pliers and all sorts to pull it out, but nothing seemed to work. So what I've done is literally, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, you can see it. I've literally just, what I've done is I've tightened the bolt all the way in and I've twisted it, and because of the fork pin unseizing when I twisted it, it's literally pulling out like that. And that is it. That's the pin out. Oh, there you go. That's the fork pin out. So that'll take the bearing away from the gearbox, and hopefully it should pull out. So yeah, we've literally just ripped the timing belts off. We've got 3 bolts. If you look down there, it doesn't look like it's in a bad state. It's not fully worn out, so that should be good enough to start it up, hopefully. So just checking everything. before we fire it up because it's been stood a little while. Is it moved? Not moving, eh? For this side, if I take that these bolts off here and the bottom wishbone ball joint bolts and just pull it, will it pop?
If you take the pin off from the back, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, what did you find it?
That'll be alright for this side. That's the only thing we can't do in it.
Then we'll put in the voice and then.
What if a spider just comes crawling down on top of your head?
Not scared of spiders.
Oh, bring it! Where is it? Where is it? Open it! Like this. What the hell is that? What the hell is this? A big daddy long leg. I swear, a huge one. Someone's put wires in the drive shaft, so we're just trying to take them out. But everything is seized. That's seized. Even though the nut's off, it won't push out. So what we've done is, what do you say?
I can read the new right side drive.
We might, looks like it, innit?
Yeah, come out the whole thing.
So what we've done is we've took the whole hub off with the drive shaft to take it out, because now we can get to the gearbox. Just draining the oil out. We took the gearbox plug out, and that metal piece there, and some metal pieces in the oil. I've got the gearbox out. Now I just need to find a free day, put the clutch on, and get the new box in. Yeah, we're getting there. Slow progress. It's better than no progress. Car is finally on the recovery truck. The gearbox is in. Now all we need to do is get it home, and then my brother can start fixing it, welding it when he has the time. I don't have no time. So yeah, let's see how far we got on this project. Straps. Why didn't you tell me?
I don't know what. That was
So now the car can go home. Hopefully, once it's got gearbox oil and fresh fluid, we should fire it up.
Pull this out.
So,
Yeah, pull that out.